Another iconic dish in Chihuahua is frijoles charros. My surprise when I tasted the ones in Chihuahua was how much meat is in it, all different kinds of meat. So I'm gonna start with a half a pound of thick slices of smoked bacon. I'm gonna raise my heat to medium high. I'm gonna add my bacon. I'm gonna add a half a pound of Mexican chorizo. I like the Mexican chorizo that comes in links, and then you can remove the casing. I'm gonna coarsely chop and add into the pan. I'm gonna rinse my hands. As this continues to brown, and this is looking so beautiful already, I'm gonna cut my turkey hot dogs. So I have a 1/4 pound of turkey sausages. Add the sausage, and then I'm gonna add some deli ham. I have Black Forest ham here, and I'm gonna cut the slices into bite-sized pieces. Okay, I'm adding the ham. So meanwhile, I'm gonna cut some onion. Chopping not very fine. Okay, now I'm gonna add the onion. I have a pound of pinto beans that I cooked with nothing but water and onion for like an hour and 10 minutes. You wanna cook them until they're tender, but not falling apart. If you don't have time to cook your pinto beans, you can just use 3 cans of La Costeña whole pinto beans. They're already cooked, already seasoned, already delicious. So for this recipe, you would need 3. The next thing, and I guess this is why I fell in love with the Chihuahua-style charro beans so much, is because they have a lot of pickled jalapenos. And I don't know if you know, but I'm obsessed with pickled jalapenos. Love them so much. I'm adding the jalapenos, and I'm also adding the brine, which is like a pickling vinegar brine that has vinegar, spices, and it's so flavorful. And the last thing I'm gonna add, I'm laughing because there's so much meat in here, is chicharrones. I hadn't seen frijoles charros that had chicharrones before, and I love it so much. I love having the chicharrones transform. See, even Mila knows. Mila loves chicharrones so much. Okay, this is ready. I wanna add a little bit of onion. Then, this is how you do it. You grab your corn tortilla. You cut it into like totopo sizes. Then, this becomes your edible spoon. So I'm gonna take a little bit of everything. Oh my God. Like all the mixed meats are so flavorful. And that chicharrón, I mean.